Vivo is all prepared to launch the new Vivo V26 Pro on September 6, 2022. The smartphone is rumored to be available at a starting price of Rs 42,990 for 12GB RAM plus 256GB internal storage variant. Vivo V26 Pro is expected to run the Android V12 operating system and might house a decent 4800 mAh battery that will let you enjoy playing games, listening to songs, watching movies, and do other stuff for a longer duration, without worrying about battery drainage. On the camera front, the smartphone from Vivo is rumored to feature single camera setup on the rear. There will be 64MP plus 8MP plus 2MP cameras, so that you can click lifelike pictures. On the front, the Vivo V26 Pro is expected to sport a 32MP front camera for clicking selfies. You can enjoy watching movies or playing games on the Vivo V26 Pro, as it might feature 6.7 inches, 17.02 centimeters display with a resolution of 1080x 2400 pixels. Apart from this, Vivo V26 Pro is likely to power octa-core, 3.05 GHz, single-core, Cortex-X2 plus 2.85 GHz, tri-core, Cortex-A710 plus 1.8 GHz, quad-core, Cortex-A510, so that you can enjoy a seamless performance while accessing multiple apps. Also, the mobile will be available in different storage options after its launch. Such availability lets you easily store your local files, videos, pictures, movies, songs and other stuff, without worrying about space constraints. Various connectivity options on the Vivo V26 Pro are speculated to include Wi-Fi 802.11, BGN, mobile hotspot, Bluetooth V5.3 and 5G, supported by device, 4G 3G, 2G. Moreover, sensors on the smartphone might include light sensor, proximity sensor, accelerometer, compass, gyroscope,